What's up guys, welcome back to another Lamborghini video. So we finally did get our dashboard in. L&D Solutions did a good job reupholstering it. They actually did the stitching really straight, which is like not a lot of companies really do that. And they also color matched the Alcantara to all the Alcantara that we have inside the interior. So they did a good job on that, shout out to them. Today, we're finally gonna put the dashboard in, so let's get right to work.
Alright guys, we're finally done with the dashboard. Look how good it turned out. L&D Solutions did a really good job. They matched up the Alcantara really good with the old one, so you can't even tell that it was ever changed. The stitches are perfect all around. They also hooked us up with some custom seat belts, red ones, so it can match the stitching and also the seat. The seat comes black and red stitching and the logo and everything. So what we're gonna do right now is Roman's actually finishing up the airbags underneath there, installing the airbags. I'm gonna actually pour the coolant in. We got some coolant. Yeah.
I think I found the problem why it doesn't rev.
The pedal is unplugged. Basically, the car was starting, but it was not revving or driving. We thought that it's in limp mode, and you have to reset it since it was like an accident. We thought it was like a safety thing. So the pedal wasn't plugged, right?
Yeah.
So let's
go plug in the battery.
I hope that's the problem. If that's the problem, that's gonna be crazy. But I really hope that's the problem. I really hope it's not anything with limp mode or anything.
Yes. Okay, we can't do it for too long. There's no coolant.
All right. Yeah, so let's throw some coolant in so we can do some more revs. Because I really want to hear that. I haven't heard that yet. We have not revved the car ever since we got it. This is actually the first time.
Dude!
Honestly, I have no idea why the pedal is disconnected. I think
we never disconnected.
Maybe the pedal is disconnected is because when it got into a collision, usually the firefighters, they either disconnect the pedal or they disconnect a fuse from keeping the car to drive or anything. I guess it's like safety reasons or something.
I'm gonna go finish
because the car was hit on this side, so I don't know why the pedal was even disconnected or who even went under the disconnector. So, but we just found the problem. Let's throw some coolant in and give us some more revs.
He said we.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. Sometimes when you're here,
Guys, I finally got the driver's side complete. The center console is fully put together on the driver's side. Right now I'm about to actually feed up the carpet and throw the driver's side seat in. But check it out, this thing just looks beautiful. Alright guys, this is actually going to be it for tonight. We did as much as we could. We got both of the seats in, all the seat belts, dashboard. We completed the center console. The only thing we are waiting on is the, how would you call this?
Glove compartment cover.
Is the glove compartment cover. Just so we could install this. I would have put this in, but in order to put the cover on, you got to put the metal, I'd say hinges, metal hinges in here. And then, yeah, but we did do everything we can. The interior just looks amazing. I'm speechless.
Everything here is either Alcantara or forged carbon. Maybe very little of gloss black plastic, but pretty much everything else.
Soon the parts are going to come in. Once they come in, we're gonna finish this bad boy up. It is gonna suck that we're gonna finish it. I don't think so there's ever gonna be a build like this one. This one was really fun to build, you know. We all got together, completed this car. I mean, there was a lot of work. Some people that don't rebuild cars, for them, on just watching videos, it looks like it's going by fast, but we're actually working on it for a long time. How long has it been? Like 3 months?
Like 3 months.
Like 3 months, and we've been every single day after work, working. Peace.